In this video, we will see what is admittance. Admittance is the inverse. Admittance is the inverse of impedance. Z. Impedance is denoted by Z. We can say admittance is the inverse of impedance or reciprocal of impedance. Admittance is denoted by Y, and unit of admittance or admittance is measured in Simons. Admittance is measured in Simons. So admittance is the reciprocal of impedance, that means it is 1 upon Z. So this is called admittance, which is the reciprocal of impedance. Now we know that Z is equal to, V by I, because impedance Z is the ratio of voltage upon current. So we can rewrite this as I upon V, that is current upon voltage. So therefore admittance is the ratio of current and voltage. Now we know that impedance Z is equal to R plus jX, where this R is the resistance, and this X is reactance. It is reactance. Now if we take the reciprocal of this, or if we write Y, admittance is written like G. So G is conductance, which is the reciprocal of resistance, plus JB. Now this B is the susceptance, which is the reciprocal of reactance. So here we can write 1 upon R is equal to G, which is conductance, and 1 upon X is equal to B, which is susceptance. So here we can write this G is the conductance, this B is the susceptance. Now here if we substitute, in place of Z we can substitute R plus jX. So let's substitute it. Y is equal to 1 upon Z. So it will be 1 upon Z. The value of Z is R plus jX. So R plus jX. Now if we multiply this with complex conjugate of this, that means R minus jX, this is the complex conjugate of this, and also divide this by R minus jX. So this and this will get cancelled. Now if we simplify this, so it will be R minus jX divided by, now if we multiply this, so it will be a square minus b square. So if we multiply this, so it will be R minus jX, and this is R plus jX, and this is R minus jX. So this formula is A square minus B square. So this will be admittance Y is equal to R minus JX divided by R square minus J square X square. So it will be plus, or we can write J square here, J square X square, and we know that J square is equal to minus 1. We can verify it. I square is equal to minus 1. So this will be R minus Jx divided by R square plus X square. Now if we separate this real part and imaginary part, so this will be admittance Y is equal to R divided by R square plus X square. So R square plus X square, then minus Jx X divided by R square plus X square. So here this is the real part. This is real part and this is imaginary part. Imaginary part. This is real part and this is imaginary part. So if we compare this with this equation, let's say this is equation number 1. So this is, let's say this is equation number 2. So compare equation 2 with 1, then we get here, we can see here the real part is G. So here we can write this is the real part, and this B is the imaginary part, So G is equal to, we can write G is equal to R divided by R square plus X square. R square plus X square. And here this is the imaginary part and here the imaginary part is B. So B is equal to this minus X. It will be minus because here it is positive. So here this will be minus X divided by R square plus X square. R square plus X square. So this is conductance, which is represented by G, and this is susceptance, which is represented by B. So this is about admittance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.